Hello, hello, welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, I have here another bag from the car. Good golly, Miss Molly. And this stuff, it may be that I do start a box. I have things I put on the door, such as, oh, look, and this, oh, and I've marked this with Sharpie things. Oh, and this is a good one. This is a 5-pin cable, video cable for which will work on the Vic 20 or the 64 or the 128. And this is an 8-pin. Where to go? There's an 8-pin video cable, very handy. So I guess what I did is I threw things in a bag thinking that there could be somebody there hunting for a video cable. 8-pin. But that did not come up. So anyway, I will put these back on the door for the moment. But I think what I might end up doing with all of these is 8-pin, and it's a Commodore cable, which means the colors are right. Anyway, I may, of course, start a bag. Not a bag, a box. Kind of like the one for next year's World of Commodore. Another, oh, well, it doesn't say Commodore, but anyway, it's got the 8-pin, it's got the colors. There must be something else in here. This looks like a, yes, a cable for 1541. I should test all of these. I did, actually, test some of them. What's this? Another 1541 cable. Another, see, this is a non-Commodore video cable. Oh, it's also a 5-pin. That's handy. But also, I have marked, if you can see that, I have marked what colors do what with a Sharpie. And what do we have here? Oh my. Cables, cables, cables. There's always more cables. Ooh. Oh, my word. 1541 cable. Maybe I should have had some of those out on the table. The table of tables. Maybe that's what I'll aim for next year. But then, of course, I have lots of things that need cables. Oh, the torment. Oh, now here. This looks like a Commodore cable. Yep. Say Commodore. No, but anyway. It does not. Oh, now here. This is a sacred thing to connect a 128 to a 1084 or 1084S. Yes, I took a beautiful 1084S to the show, but you know what? Had I known that T-Pug had a whole bunch to sell off and we're going to do the silent auction thing, I wouldn't have bothered. Oh, now here's something interesting. In old houses still, a lot of places don't have 3-prong plugs, so this one's been broken off, so it could work in a 2-prong, which of course isn't as good, and you don't have a ground, and blah, 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 blah. But oh, what do we got here? Another serial cable. And a little wee power bar, which I think I took some from here. I think I'll put that over here. And there. It's an empty bag. Amen. Bag of emptiness. I'll throw that over. Oh, it fell. It fell on the ground. Oh, well, it fell. So, see, I could See, if you put tape around these things, the tape goes gross. And if you wrap them up, well, it could hurt them. Hopefully not. Like here. Oh, that didn't go well. This fellow, I knew he was a band guy. Matt Pines was his name, and he did weddings and things and stuff. And he had a particular way of wrapping cables, and it was actually pretty good. There, look at that. All wrapped up. You know what I might do? Maybe, possibly, maybe. Maybe I'll look for another banker's box. Instead of, like, the door over here is just a disaster of cables. I don't even know how many there are. Maybe I will look for another banker's box and start a cable box that I know where cables are. And I can have them handy. Wouldn't that be dandy? I mean, really, with all the cables I have, I probably have enough. Well, no, not really. To have, all kinds of different boxes full of cables. Yeah. I tire of the door. And somewhere else, downstairs, I have a lamp that's covered in cables. I have a stand-up fan that's covered in cables. Yes, maybe I will pause and go and look for a box. A banker's box. I like banker's boxes. They stack nice. They're strong. I'm going to pause. See you soon. Hello. Welcome back. So I actually went and found not one, but two banker's boxes. They're a little beat up, but, So the way you do this cable wrap thing is you fold everything twice. And then at some point, you pull one thing out, and then you wrap it around, and then you pop it through the hole. Shazam. And then they're all contained, and they can't get all so there. Half. Grab one end, wrap it around, pop it through the hole. Now that isn't maybe as good as the other one, but it's done. And this one here, this is the one that's been a little bit butchered. This one here could use a bit of a face wash, as my grandmother would say. But, that might be one, who knows. I should actually start a box for the free table. Maybe that would be a good one for it. Although, if you ever go to an old house, there's these cheater things you can get. Well, you probably can't get them anymore. They used to be on this cable. I'm going to keep out. Well, am I? Just want to go to a 1084. Interesting. I'll think about that. I will think about that. This is a video cable, which I'm sure you've already seen before. But the cool thing about it is it's pretty long. And, of course, it was always good to keep cables, or not have TVs and monitors and such things all, they're really close. That's at least what people say. So we'll do the wrap and then try to get through the hole. And we did. Into the box. 1541 cable. A beige one. Yeah, I'll just do that. And then another fold. Get a lot of wrapping in on this one. Ta-da! I think this is another disk drive cable. See, if you put tape around, the tape gets all yucky, and then you get cables that are sticky. And if you put even rubber bands around, they can do things. Now, one thing I did see, and there were some, and maybe I'll do some of this, and I've heard this for a long, long time, but toilet paper rolls are pretty good to keep cables in. And it's not like the world is running out of them. And I think I actually did at this World of Commodore. When I was at the freebie table, there was a great big plastic thing with lots of drawers. And I thought, anyway, I did my best to stay away from such things. But I did, look, because I figured, well, probably no one's looked in the bottom drawer. And I don't think anybody had. Because there were some line cords. Now, did I really, 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 really need them? Well, no. I suppose not. Did I get them? Oh, of course. Ah. All right. Take the cable, wrap. Pop this through. Throw it in the box. Throw it in the box. Throw it in the box. The other thing, of course, is I will have to mark this box. It has all kinds of writing on it. It does. But it is not current. Not at all. This is all an effort to be, yes, organized. That's what my computer teacher in high school was always striving to get organized. I don't know if he ever did, but we can hope. All right, cable. I think I'm going to try, because this one didn't have so much. Go through the close hole. See if that holds. And it does. Woohoo! Alrighty. Cables. 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 Oh. Cables. Ooh, we're almost done with this. And, so this one has a natural bend to it that is not like what we're doing. I do not wish to fight the natural bend so much. I will do, oh my word. I'll do it a little bit. That's not nearly as neat as others. And you know what? I have decided, oh, what's this? Oh, another video cable. I have decided I will put this sacred cable into here. The 1084 one. It may be that that is a selling point for the 1084S. Because these cables are, well, I don't know if they're hard to find. I think they're, yeah, you know what, this one is so short, just gonna toss it in. So now, I go to the drawer where the big Sharpie lurks. Oh yeah, this box has seen better days. And on the back of it, it is blank, I will write Commodore. Video. Serial. 184 slash 128. Line. Chords. And I think that you know what, I could change this video. 4 Vic 128 etc. However, tables. There. And now there's another box here. And I don't know. What I'm going to put in there, but I am going to try to have things just better organized. We'll see. Anyway, I just see down on the table, or under the table, there's a bag, another bag from the weekend that I brought in from the car, so maybe next time we'll look at that. Have a lovely day. Thanks for coming to the TV room. I'm David Bradley, your host. Bye for now.